Are you a beginner in Excel? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two simple Excel formulas that can make your work much easier. Average and count. Let's learn them step by step.
Want to calculate the average in Excel? Use the average function. Select an empty cell, type equal to average, select your data range, and press enter. Excel will automatically calculate the average.
Want to count how many cells contain numbers? Use the count function. Select an empty cell, type equal to count. Select your data range and press enter. Excel will count all the cells containing numbers.
One important thing to remember, the count function only counts cells that contain numbers. It does not count text or alphabetical values.